Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this dramatic, bronzy, kind of sparkly eye look. I am going to a family function, so I wanted to keep it kind of neutral, but I wanted to go heavy on the eyeliner just because my outfit's pretty simple. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. Oh, and this is what my dress looks like. So really simple. So I'm going to go in with butter and my Vasanti concealer buffing brush, and I'm just going to work this right on my upper crease. I think I want to do more of a bronzy look, but I'm not 100% sure. So let's see where we go with this. So I think I'm gonna go in with a little bit of, I'm gonna mix the shade and the shade together. I'm gonna bring that slightly lower, but I'm using the same brush. I'm going to use this color here. Okay. So I'm going to add just a little bit more of that color alone. I think it's a little too warm for what I'm going for, and I'm just going to blend that on top. What's ever left over on the brush, I'm just going to drag out gently. You don't want a lot of color deposited in this area. Just want it to blend out nicely. Now I'm going to go in with this color right here. And I'm using my Morphe M441 brush. And I'm going to work this on the outer part of my eye. And I'm just moving in circular motions. And I'm really going to build up this color. If you're having an issue blending out the colors, just lay the brush on its side and just start buffing it. So now that I have that brown where I want it to be, I'm going to go in with this really dark shade right here. It's the one before the black, and I'm going to go in with my Sigma Blending E25 brush. I'm going to take a very small amount, literally the tiniest, the tiniest amount. And I'm really going to work this on the outer corner. I'm going to cut my crease a little bit, just using a little bit of concealer and my Morphe G15 brush. going to go in with this color right here. And I'm using my same Morphe G15 brush, and I'm just going to stamp this color on. So now I think I want to go in with a little bit of this color right here, and I'm just gonna apply this on just the front, and just keep it just in the first third of my eye. So that's what it should look like. So I went ahead and applied my eyeliner off camera. I'm using the Ingot Gel number 77 with my Sigma EO5 brush. I'm actually looking for another eyeliner brush, something a little thinner, so I can really get in my inner tear duct. So I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M506. As you can tell, I put my eyeliner on my waterline as well. So I'm just gonna go in with this brush, and I'm gonna mix these two colors together and start working this onto my lower lash line. I'm going to go in with my Morphe M432 brush, and I really want to keep the inside not as thick. I'm trying to explain it. I'm trying to clean up this area right here, and what I'm going to do is go in with my face powder, and just whatever face powder you're using. I'm using the my Studio Fix in C5, and I'm just gonna clean up that area a little bit. I'm just gonna clean that brush off. I'm gonna use the same brush, and I'm gonna go in with the deeper brown right here, and just start working it really close to my lower lash line. I'm going in with the same Morphe brush. I'm dipping into the really dark brown, and I'm keeping this really tight. And I'm just going to add a very small amount of black, like the tiniest amount. And I'm going to keep the black just on the very outer portion. I'm connecting it to the eyeliner. So for my brow bone and my inner tear duct, I'm going with the Amrezy and Anastasia highlighter. Just taking a very small amount. I'm just going to apply this on my brow bone. I'm going to go in with a really small brush. This is the Morphe M508, and I'm going back in with that highlighter, taking a very small amount, and I'm going to apply this right in my inner tear duct, and I'm adding this highlighter right here as well. So going in with my Morphe R31 and my Amrezy Highlighter, I'm just going to apply this onto my cheekbones. And going back in with my really small Morphe M508, I'm going to apply this on my nose. Now going in with my blush, I'm using Tarte Paaarty and applying this on my apples of my cheek. And this is just a brush I had my face powder on, and I'm just blending everything together. So I guess I'll just go in with MAC Cork, Wet n Wild's Rebel Rose, and Dose of Colors More Creamer Please. So I think I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay. This is the Midnight Cowboy, just for a little extra pop. Just really let this dry. So this is a completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.